Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make black forest cake for New Year special, and that too without oven. So make this delicious cake at your home and enjoy your New Year with your family. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Here I have taken 6 into 4 inches of cake tin. We need to apply some oil or butter and place a butter paper. We are making cake without oven, so we need a pressure cooker. Add some salt. You can reuse the salt again. And place a stand like this. Close the lid without the rubber and whistle and preheat the cooker for about 10 minutes on low flame. Take a bowl. Into that add 4 eggs. Those who don't want to use eggs, they can replace the eggs with half cup of curd or yogurt. Next I am going to add 1 cup of sugar, half cup of oil. Here I am using my electric mixer, but if you want you can simply use a whisker. This looks good. Into this I am adding 1/4 cup of milk, which is at room temperature, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. And also remember that you are using all the ingredients to make cake should be in room temperature. So the wet ingredients are ready. Now let's start shifting in dry ingredients. I am using 1 cup of maida, which is all-purpose flour, cocoa powder 1/3 cup, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda, pinch of salt, and sieve the ingredients into the bowl. I am using my spatula and I am going to fold the dry ingredients in one direction, and remember, do not over mix. So our batter is ready. Pour the batter into a cake tin and place it in a pressure cooker which is preheated for 10 minutes, and bake the cake for about 30 to 40 minutes. While the cake is baking, let's work on the next step, which is a cherry syrup. In a bowl add 2 tablespoons of sugar and add hot water to it, and I am going to add some chopped cherry, which is also called candied cherry. Mix this well and keep aside. Next step is whipped cream, which we use to frost a cake. I have 1 cup of whipping cream here, which is chilled. I am using my electrical beater. Beat until it reaches stiff peak. Since I am using whipping cream which is already sweetened, I will be not adding extra sugar. My cream has reached stiff peak, which means I can set this aside. Now let's check the cake after 40 minutes. I am going to insert a toothpick. If the toothpick is coming out cleanly, that means our cake is baked. So our cake is ready now. Cool down the cake and demold it. As you can see here, our beautiful spongy chocolate cake is ready. All steps are ready and now we will decorate the Black Forest cake. Cut the cake into layers. Apply some whipping cream on a cake board and place a cake layer. Soak this with cherry sugar syrup. I am adding some whipping cream. Spread it nicely. Add some cherry pieces. And next place another layer. Repeat the process with the other layers as well. I am also going to frost my cake with whipped cream on the top and the sides as well. Here I have some choco chips which is easily available in the market. I am going to apply it sides of the cake. You can also use grated chocolates to decorate the cake. So I have decorated my cake. As you can see here, the beautiful Black Forest cake is ready. If you like this cake recipe, please give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon and also share with your friends and family. Wishing you health, wealth and blessings in this new year. Happy New Year of 2023. Thank you for watching.